bring past trauma into this relationship.
And you're supposed to be my friend.
Yeah,
Be a headline.
to be a headline.
And she was like, I feel you, you know, like if you didn't have the right support and didn't have, it just wasn't handled with care. So I feel like we had a moment, she comforted me to get lost.
I've been thinking, I clean up the pieces that call me, made me desire a life being lonely.
Outside,
Right.
these sweet.
No, and I'm not disagreeing with that. Like looking at it from this from your perspective, I totally agree.
Yeah.
Like, that is insane.
Yeah.
But I don't want you to think that it was, oh, Sade does not want